Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video we have an exciting one as we are doing another unboxing. Well, again guys, unbagging. So I got the parcel from Fashion Nova. So I ordered I think last week, and it got delivered a couple of days ago, but I didn't really get the chance to open it because I've been really busy with work and everything. So, and also I wanted to share it with you guys and show you what I've got from Fashion Nova. So if you are interested to see what I've got from Fashion Nova, guys, keep on watching. Yeah guys, excuse my face because I haven't really had makeup on today. I just decided to actually let my face breathe, and yeah, so that's why. I'm so sorry about that, but we are going to open it now guys. So this is what it looks like. So it's from Fashion Nova. So last week guys, they were doing the buy one get one free, so I dive in straight away and, you know, grab some goodies for myself, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Okay, so I only have 4 items guys, so it shouldn't be a very long video. So I'm gonna start with this one. So it is Enterprise blazer dress in size small. So just letting you know guys, I got everything in size small. Okay. Alright. Oh, I really hope this fits guys. It looks big by the look of it, but you know, until I try them on, we'll never know. So the material is stretchy guys. And actually it's cool because it's got zipper here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And also the pricing for this guys, I'm gonna tell you, that is $39.99 US. So that's US dollars guys, it's not Australian dollars. So that's I'm not sure guys how much that was in Australian, but that's the first one. And then the second one is this. I love this guys, I can't wait to actually have a look at this one. So this is the Nala denim short set, and it's in the color mint. I love color mint guys. It's just very the color is so pastel-y. Oh my god, how cute is this? Good luck sa bilbil guys, but yeko. Oh, this is so cute. I like the cloth, the material, because it's not too thick. Oh, I can't wait to try them on. And this is the pants that comes with it, so it's a set. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love this. That's what it looks like. So there's no pocket on the back, but there are some side pockets. Okay, so that's the second item, and on to the third item guys. I got this one. What's the name? Bossing Around mini blazer dress. Show you. I don't know if it's, there you go. So it is white because I don't have anything like this in white as yet. So again, it's in size small. It do look like big. Oh my god, it looks big, but we'll see. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you the pricing before guys. So that denim short set, it was $39.99 cents, again in US dollars. And this mini blazer dress is $44.99, again US dollars. So yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. So it's very similar to the other one, very similar, but they've got different kind of buttons. So that's it. And then the last one, guys, I'm very excited for this one, guys. When I saw this on their website, well actually guys, this is the original reason why I jump into Fashion Nova website, guys, because I purchased from them before. They always, you know, every time I open Facebook and, you know, all that website, there's ad, you know, popping out. It's like, oh, you know, like, oh, there's good deals with Fashion Nova and all. So this is the reason, guys, because this looks so good on the model, and I hope that it's really good. So this is a 3 set. It's got shorts and top and also the blazer. Okay. Oh, I didn't expect this kind of cloth. Oh, okay. I like the color, guys. How can you not love this color? So when I saw this, guys, I had that, you know, Chanel feeling, because it has the Chanel vibes to it, guys. So that's the blazer, and the shorts that comes with it is this one. Though it's in size small, it looks like it's big. I don't know, I'll see when I try them on. It's good because it's got the zipper on the back. The one there. And also, I'll show you the top. Oh no, you can't do this to me. Guys, the zipper is so hard to close. Oh, I'll do that later on. So the top that comes with it is this. So guys, again, it looks really big, guys. I'm a bit disappointed, but I'll see how it looks when I got them on. But that's the one, guys. And yeah, that's about it. So inside, just got all the packing slip, and also they've got the return form, so just in case, you know, you're not happy with anything you want to return, you've got that. But I'm gonna tell you the price for that one, guys. The 3-piece set, it was $49.99, guys. So yeah, there you go. So as mentioned before, guys, they were having the buy one get one free. So you get to pay the most expensive item, and then the cheapest you get it for free. So all in all, I paid $114.98, guys, in US dollars, because I had to pay for the shipping as well, which is $20 US, guys. And I'm glad I did that, because, you know, it was really quick. I ordered it last week, and yeah, it's here now, so there's no regrets on paying extra for the freight. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try them on, and then I'm gonna show you later what it looks like. I'll see you in a bit. So this is the first one that I tried, guys. So this is the 3 set. So I'm wearing my high heels, so I get the, you know, full outfit thing. And excuse me for, you know, that one there behind me. But this is what it looks like. I thought it was big, but it's alright. It's got that space there, but not to the point that it's falling. So the top is a bit big as well here, because guys, I'm not blessed with the titties. But yeah, and here's the blazer. So yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? So this is the second dress, guys. OMG, it fits me well. The length on the arm is perfect. Have a look at this, guys. You have to be very careful though. But other than that, I think it looks good. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoy watching this haul. And yeah, so this is the last one that I was wearing. It looks really good, guys. I really love it. I think I got really lucky with everything that I got this time from Fashion Nova, so thank you, Fashion Nova. And yeah, guys, so yeah, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And also, guys, I can't wait to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.